Hi, you're watching Simply Vegetarian from Anjita's Kitchen Corner. This combo chutney is an immunity booster, the most important need of the hour. First thing, it's packed with vitamin C, herbs, protein, potassium. It's good for your skin. And what else could you ask for a healthy chutney? Next, this chutney goes with anything you could think of. Meals, side dish, even snack. Plus, it's quick and easy to prepare within 8 to 10 minutes. Why delay? Let's start. Ingredients I've taken for this combo chutney are 15 grams of fresh mint leaves, 20 grams fresh coriander leaves, 12 grams of peeled and roasted peanuts. I've taken 1 green chilli, this is quite spicy. You can add as per your preference 3-piece garlic cloves. You can skip this if you don't eat garlic. 1 medium-sized tomato boiled and peeled. Tomato is optional. If you don't want tomato, then just use around 50 ml of water instead. This chutney can be made even without tomatoes. Salt half teaspoon or as per taste. Now one of the main ingredient in this combo chutney is 1 tablespoon fresh lime or lemon juice. But here I'm going to use my homemade lime preserve, which I have preserved in salt, and it's been around 5 to 6 years old. Our traditional belief is the more you age them, the more medicinal benefits you get. Vitamin C and potassium contents will be high to boost your immunity and better skin health. Plus contains many more medicinal properties. Okay, now back to our chutney. Other than these ingredients, if you have fresh coconut in your kitchen, you can add 12 grams of it, which will enhance the taste. In a blender jar, first I'll add peanuts, green chilli, garlic, fresh mint and tomato, plus salt as required, and quickly blend for a minute. Then add rest of the ingredients, fresh coriander, lime or lemon juice. As I mentioned, here I'll use homemade lime preserve. You can add fresh coconut as well. Now grind or mix them until they come out smooth. After 2 minutes, our combo chutney is done. Transfer and it's ready to serve. This chutney is packed with herbs, protein, vitamin C and potassium. Tangy in taste, goes well with chapati, paratha, naan, sandwich, even plain bread or toasted, or any meal or snack you can think of. And if in case you are allergic to peanuts, substitute with roasted 12 grams of white sesame seeds. That tastes great as well. A perfect combo chutney to boost your immunity. Stay safe, stay healthy.